Hello, everybody. I am at Ebenezer Church of God in Christ, where the pastor is Pastor Ernest Walker. We had an awesome Women's Day today, and oh my goodness, the food is just out of sight. It is beautiful. There's First Lady Walker. Thank God for her. It was such a beautiful service. I just had to show this beautiful spread. This was the mistress of ceremony. Turn around, Miss Tanja Bradley. I just wanted all of Social Cam to see what a real Kojic flower. Kojic is Church of God in Christ. That is a true Kojic flower right there. We're going to have to take that to our holy convocation that is coming up. That flower is beautiful. Wonderful, awesome Women's Day service they had. All the women look beautiful in our red and our black. So we thank God for everybody. I just had to show this little clip. Okay, you all have a good night. Bye-bye.